Ayo. Ano yun, ma?
Hiramin ko muna para may laruan sa Archie.
What the? Anyways, I was saying, after making a pancake, just kidding, Mama's going to make it, not me. I'm just going to help her for a second because mommy's lazy for some reason. Whoa.
Alis dyan! Huwag ka mangialam! Ito naman tong babang ko. Ikaw na lang magluto. Sige?
Lo.
Ano nga kayo? Mangialam pa. O, dadang ka. Ha?
Yun na, sasakay ka na.
Sakay ka lang.
Bro, I just got jump scared.
Oo, hirap lang.
Bro, I hate